Hi, welcome back to Imperium Learning. This is the second video in a two-video series relating to IRFs. If you haven't seen the first video, go check that out. Anyway, so just diving straight into it, the how would you analyze, say, this particular impulse response function? You'd say the IRF reveals that a one-time positive shock to Lun credit leads to a permanent increase in Lun AHP. More specifically, a one-time 1% increase in Lun credit leads to a permanent increase in Lun AHP of 0.03%. Look at my y-axis there, 0.03. Therefore, it can be inferred that there's a positive relationship. Just make sure that you include some understanding of the sign and that it's permanent. And, that shows that you've got a deep knowledge of IRFs and how to interpret them depending on the context. So, once again, just some concluding remarks. When you're writing, if you're very insistent on writing a section in an essay about IRFs, just make sure that you inform the reader that you're aware that IRFs are most appropriate for VAR models, but that IRFs are still useful for gaining an insight into the sign of the relationship, because and that follows on from Granger causality, because Granger causality does not give you the sign of the relationship. And then finally, just include a sentence or two about showing that you know that the effect of a shock in a vacuum is permanent rather than transitory, as opposed to in a VAR. That's a transitory IRF right there, because you have all your fluctuations and then finally it goes back to zero. So hopefully that's helped you out. If you think it was good content, don't hesitate to subscribe and thumbs up. There may be other students out there who need to see this video for their coursework or whatever, so hopefully you can help them out too by giving it a thumbs up and a subscribe to help support the channel and increase its visibility. Okay, bye now.